we are going to start our class. In the last 3 videos, you have learned about the lesson. Today, you are going to learn about our grammar topic. The grammar topic is about phrase. What is a phrase? Already you have studied in the previous class, but once again, look at it. A group of words that expresses an idea but does not form a complete sentence is called a phrase. So, it expresses an idea but does not form a complete sentence. Example, at the side of the table. At the side of the table. So if you take this example, at the side of the table, it has a meaning but it is not a complete meaning. So it comes under as a phrase. Now if I add, I have kept the book. I have kept the book. At the side of the table. So now what do you understand? It gives you a complete meaning. So when it is going to have a subject and a finite verb, we call it as a clause. Now at the side of the table come under as a phrase. Now this is the difference between phrase and a clause. Now types of phrases. We are going for types of phrases. There are many types of phrases. 1. Noun phrase. Adjective phrase. Prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase. Adverb phrase. Verb phrase. We also have infinite phrase and gerund phrase. But the main important are these phrases. Today we are going to study about noun phrase. What is called as a noun phrase? Now we are going to learn about noun phrase. A group of words that work together to name and describe a person, place, thing, or idea. Example: the quick brown fox, the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. In this example, we can find the noun fox. Fox is a noun and we are describing the fox. How is the fox? The quick brown fox. So these three words come under as adjectives. The is an article, quick is an adjective, brown is also the color which we are describing. The quick brown fox come under as a noun phrase. In second example, the young puppy chased its tail. So what is a noun in this sentence? Puppy. Puppy is a noun. Describing about the puppy. How is the puppy? The young puppy. So the young come under as an adjective. So the young puppy is called as a noun phrase. Clear? Now we are going for a textual exercise. In this textual exercise, some questions were given. Let us try for the answers. Now here is the exercise from our textbook. Complete the sentences with noun phrases using the words given in brackets. Now let us try for these questions. I bought dash beautiful a umbrella red. Now how do we make the complete statement of noun phrase? I bought a beautiful red umbrella. Okay children, so try for the 2, 3, 4 answers in your notebook. Next, going with noun phrase in opposition. So here are the sentences given to you. Look at the following sentence and observe the underlined part in each sentence. Kamala, her eldest daughter, a widow, got up reluctantly. We are talking about a Kamala. Who is Kamala? Kamala is the eldest daughter of a widow, got up. Kamala, her eldest daughter, a widow. Kamala, her eldest daughter, a widow, got up reluctantly. Second, don't you remember Vimala, district collector, Nambe's eldest daughter? Now here we will observe noun phrase in opposition. What is called as noun phrase in opposition? Now we discuss about noun phrases in opposition. Noun phrases in opposition. What do we mean by opposition? Opposition means an act of placing near. It is called as opposition. Now, a noun in opposition is needed to explain another noun or a noun phrase. To explain another noun or a noun phrase that prevents another sentence from being created to explain the same. So what is called noun phrase in opposition? It explains about another noun or a noun phrase which prevents another sentence. If we take one example, Sindhu is a girl. Second sentence, she is the bubbliest girl. She is the bubbliest girl. So what is called as noun phrase in opposition? When a noun follows another noun to describe the former one, which follows is said to be a opposition. Now how can we make these two sentences as one sentence? Sindhu, comma, Sindhu, comma, the bubbliest girl, the bubbliest girl. So what is called noun phrase in opposition? We have one noun and we are taking another noun. So these two are called as noun phrase in opposition. Clear, children? Now one more example. Mahesh is my elder brother. Is my elder brother. He lives in Delhi. He lives in Delhi. Now how do we change it into noun phrase in opposition? Mahesh is my elder brother. He lives in Delhi. Answer is Mahesh. What is the relation? Mahesh is my elder brother. So Mahesh comma my elder brother comma lives in Delhi. So this is the example. Children, try these answers for this. Write them in your notebook. Now look at this glossary, read it well and write it in your notes. The next page of your textbook, we have the vocabulary part, first Roman and second Roman. After reading the glossary, try to attempt the blanks. So in the next class, we will be going with how to write an essay and reading B poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.